And good morning, gang. Happy Tuesday. It is 9:27. Look at us bright and early trading, Cowboy. We have 3 minutes
Yeah,
before market opens. Look at that, guys. Just showing up for you every stinking
giddy
day.
up.
Now, keep in mind, today starts day one of our 50,000 prop firm challenge where we're going to try to lead you through the entire process, start to finish, of hopefully passing an eval in the next couple days here, and then actually getting a payout as well, even if it's only like $100, for example. But we just want to go through the entire process. Now, keeping in mind this is for entertainment purposes only, but if you follow along, who the heck knows? Maybe we can all win together here. Now, Trading
Wow.
Cowboy admittedly is a much better trader than me, so we are going to rely on his insight a little bit more today and see what kind of good stuff that he has to say for us. So this challenge being in mind, man, and we're gonna completely trust you and go off you here. Are we trading MNQs or are we trading NQs today?
So I went over to the MNQs for you. So
Oh
that's what
shoot!
you're trading. So that's what we're doing. So
Woo! That'll
yeah,
bring the heart, that'll bring the heart rate probably down just a little bit.
just a little.
So then sizing, what are we thinking for sizing today?
I'll probably start. I mean, and this is just me. So everybody do what they want to do, but I'll probably start with two.
Yep.
Um, Try to build a little bit of a cushion, maybe a couple dollars cushion, and then can size in a little bit heavier if we need to. But
Nice.
yeah,
I love it. I love it, man.
just try to catch a few trades. If we're not really sure about it, we may want to start with just one.
Yep.
So
All right, cool. Well, yeah, and please be vocal with us as well. If you end up doing one or two, let us know. If it starts sinking down and you decide to like double down, let us know. And I'll try, of course, try to do the same thing if I am off doing my own thing as well. But it'll be exciting to see, man. We should get good volume after yesterday was quite slow volume, President's Day and all that. But yeah, hopefully we're just ready to rock and roll. Sorry, still just kind of trying to adjust a few things. Oh, and here's market open right here. So market being open, what are we thinking? Are we going to try to target a trade right away? We're thinking about the first, wait for the first
I mean,
five.
I always look at the opposite first. So if it's pushing down, I'm expecting to move up. So,
Nope,
and there, there's a pretty good move right there already. So,
15 minutes. Probably about 15 ago. It doesn't have to be boiling, just hot water would be good. Man, so you're right. We reacted down to Ocala's 626, basically tapping those 620s here just to rip back up. Hey, good morning, Driving Obsession. Always good to see you, sir.
good morning. Good morning.
Thank you for stopping in. Now you have the MNQ chart up right now, don't you?
I do. Yeah.
How strange that my VWAP is different than yours.
Now this is the one that I had, that somebody had just programmed in there.
Yeah,
Um,
well, I think for me as well, right? Isn't the CE, is it the CE VWAP, this guy here?
is that what it is? How do I look on here to see? Yeah, I guess so. Yeah,
Yeah, it's called CE VWAP.
but I've got it at 623 roughly, maybe.
623. What do I have? Oh, what do you did you change any of your like levels? Like session hour, session minute, rolling
No.
period?
Do I just click on it?
Yeah.
Does that kind of show you what I have?
Yeah, though unfortunately my screen I can't freaking see it. Hold on, let me move you to a different screen so I might be able to see it. No, I still can't.
MNQ.
Huh, how strange. I don't know. Well, I guess let's pay attention to both of them today. We'll see. We'll see which one has a
It
little
looks
more.
like mine was support.
Yeah, yeah. And mine was right. Mine middled it. How strange.
Yeah.
I want yours instead. Which I
So
have.
yeah, we just had what a 1 minute over 100 point candle.
Yeah. I got 2 of these on here right now too. So yeah, my settings are 9, 30, and 13. Hey Miguel, good morning. Good morning,
Morning,
sir.
Miguel.
Hey Sod, we haven't seen you in forever either,
Oh,
bud.
shoot.
Good
Hey,
to see
Todd.
you. Good to see you, sir.
Did not work.
It still has the other half of the bottle. Put the other half in, and we'll leave it in there longer this time.
I gotta wait for all the water to drain though.
So thinking about the buys here.
Yeah, I really like that shelf it set up right there. I should have just jumped in, but
68. Wow, yeah, really good reaction up so far.
yeah.
Nvidia had gapped down. Q's had gapped down. VIX had gapped down though, which is a good sign. ES is spiking
Yeah, we'd like
pretty
to see him
good.
come fill that gap.
We do have London highs are up here at 727, so I think that would be a
Okay.
pretty darn likely target, right?
Yeah.
Let's see, what time is it? 9:33. We have 25 seconds left of this candle. Day 1 prop firm, bub. Yup. Yeah, we're trying to do
Yeah.
prop firm challenge, Sod, which I know unfortunately you can't do futures with us, but we're going to try to take us through the entire process of passing an eval, getting a payout. But that's if we can get into a stinking trade. We're getting stuck here at the 700s. It is kind of building up steam still, though.
Yeah, I mean, we should have just jumped in right there as soon as that found support. I mean, you clearly see it back here at the 750s.
Yep.
That's where it was resistance, broke over it, became support. The 9 was right there. It wicked to the 21.
Yep. Well, we have our 5 minute and 40 seconds now. Nvidia's turning green. Man, Q's had a massive wick up. Oh shoot, here we are at the 730s already, and boom, there we go. So there's our there's our London high.
Yeah.
So beyond that,
shucks.
790s, right? Maybe on the 1 hour chart, we're looking at 790s. Going up to this body here.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, we got the 200 sitting at 763, so that'll be a slight rejection there. What did we just hit there? Yeah, right at it. So
Yep. Did Q's fill its gap? No. Nvidia might have filled. No. So if gaps haven't been filled yet, but they're a squeak away from being filled, so I gotta imagine up is the way, man. I don't want to FOMO just a buy right here, but it kind of seems like. Shoot, I don't know, right? It just boom, boom, boom. Man, I hate sitting behind when you see it just going, going, and going. You're like, ah. But admittedly,
yeah,
admittedly, this is usually when we jump in, or I usually jump in. I'm like, it's just going up. So if it's going up,
yeah,
I'll
we
buy.
got 10 seconds left on this candle, so let's see how it reacts.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm kind of expecting a little pullback right here because that was kind of the top of yesterday's box at 776. So
Yep.
let's see how it reacts right here. I'm going to try one little small short right there. I'm going to give it, don't go in because it looks like it's not going to work, but I'm going to try just right there
Nice.
and just see if we can get a little push down. I'm going to set my stop just right above those
Ah,
legs.
shoot.
Yeah, it's pushing pretty strong still. And just see what we can target right there.
Yep. Come on. Bring it down a little more.
I mean, it is looking pretty strong, so that's probably not the best, but I liked how it turned red for a second, but
Yeah.
should have waited maybe one more candle, but when it turned red, I thought it was going to go. So we are looking pretty strong. So
All right. Well, I'm out on one. I'm going to keep the stop tight on the other one. Basically break even now. Shoot, yeah, I'm stopped out.
probably a good move. It is pushing pretty strong right here. So
Come on. Ooh, I like that. I like that wick though, man.
yeah, it just gets right back below and then
Shoot.
just pulls right back. So
Yeah, the second it turns red, it just pops green instantly.
yeah, the bulls are pretty strong right now.
Well, shoot. I mean, again, man, Man, I'm calling out targets, and then I'm just not even paying attention that we're blasting through them. There's my 790 target right there.
Yeah, yeah, super strong. So
Shoot. Now we do have wicks that come up to 825, so that would be kind of the next target for the longs. Shoot, man.
oh, okay. I'm gonna have to realize what I did there. All right.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. Came up to 807s. Q's is kind of at the top of its previous range. ES is still pushing though. VIX is pushing down. Son of a gun. 825. There we go. There's a push down for you.
All right, I'm out of that trade. Got in some little bit of trouble. I don't know if y'all paid attention to what I did, but
Shoo! You got out green though, didn't you?
no, I lost about $34. But I don't know if y'all
Oh.
paid attention to what I did, but long story short, I put my stops above, but I put sell stops. So when it hit it, it actually added into it. So
I
that's
was
why I'm a bull, guys.
wondering.
So
Dang, man. Yeah,
But,
again, like
hey,
the
yeah,
screen
look at
is
that.
the screen's
Look
so
at that.
teeny tiny over here for me to look, you know? It's so teeny tiny.
Yeah, everybody was just laughing at me in the chat, I think.
Damn, dude, I saw the stops there, and then I was surprised. I was like, whoa, he took his stops away. He's just riding this thing. I was like,
No, it hit them and added to it. So
jeez, man.
that's why I went ahead and just got out.
So Sod says, how is weather like now? It's getting warmer here in New Delhi, but I do not like it at all. Yeah, we got a blistering hot day like 2 days ago. It was back into the high 80s. And it's so funny. We've been so cold and complaining about the cold for so long, but man, that was a hot stinking day. I actually got like sunburned off it and everything, you know? All right, so we didn't have that. We didn't tap those wicks yet at 825, 836, 843. So you'd think 840s is still a pretty nice target for us.
It is. I kind of want to see where our shelf sets up.
Yeah.
I mean, I like it right there, but man, I really don't want to buy it off the highs.
And it just thinks that the 9 is so far underneath us as well.
True, true.
But yeah, 825. So this is all, is that all after hours stuff? Man, I didn't even realize, so President's Day yesterday, we ended at 1 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah.
And then
yeah.
open again at 6. So this was, basically last night we had that huge 6 o'clock push. Oh man, yeah, the longs are still looking really good. Here I am just chatting. We had that big 6 o'clock push all the way up here to 842s until it cascaded down at 777. Yeah, actually, I don't know. This is probably a place of caution right here.
It is indeed. I mean, and you can see how that 800 area just keeps rejecting every time.
Yeah, and this is our bottom. I mean, look at this bottom wick. So this bottom wick came perfectly down to the bottom of those wicks during that after hours pop. That was right before it fell right off a cliff. But now keeping in mind as well, here's the high side of it, the 842. Does she still have some steam in her? It's 9:41.
I mean, I want to say yes, really bad I do, but
Oh, I know it.
our wicks keep getting a little bit lower. You know,
Yeah.
we're making lower lows instead of higher highs. So
Right. And that 9 is just starting to plateau.
yeah. See, there's another lower low. 9 kind of held.
Qs came down to its halfway point. Nvidia came down just a quarter. Yeah, your stop would have to be way down here, like the 690s. That'd be
Yeah.
a big old stop. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
wanted to hit it. I wanted to hit it.
Oh, I see you hovering the shorts, man. Yeah,
Oh,
I literally just for a half sec, I was thinking like I just moved my cursor up to see how big of the stop would be if we went short, and I was like 818 is
yeah.
not bad, and then I saw
No, it's
yeah,
not. It really wasn't. I mean,
but yeah, now caution
that's why I
again
tell
because
y'all
now
guys when we need to go short, I want y'all to like push. Y'all got to push me.
yeah, but now caution right because look now Q's came perfectly down to that bottom of that previous candle.
Yeah,
Same
I mean, I
thing with
kind of want to see what it does here at the 9 now. It's kind of rejecting it a little bit.
yeah.
I mean, I'm kind of thinking we should come down here to the 713, 720s, but
Do a little wick through the 21 real quick.
yeah, I'm just gonna try to wait for the right setup. But there's that push.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try two right there. If it comes down here a little bit, I'll add into it.
Yep. There's definitely a nice little shelf right there.
Yeah, just to see if that's a little support.
Getting a good little push so far.
I'm
712.
gonna give
ES
this a
is
little
coming back
room,
down to its 9.
probably a little too much room, but probably 20, 25 points.
Yeah. Here's the
Wow, I really
45
thought that
right
was gonna be
here.
the perfect. I thought that 701s was gonna kind of be the perfect spot right there.
Well, came down to wick the 45.
Yeah, I mean we have another little bit of support right here. This was kind of the top earlier, the 690s.
Let's see.
Golly. All right, that's about all I'm going to give it. If it doesn't hold here, I'll exit below the 660s probably. That's a pretty huge chunk of change to try to get back.
Yeah. Come on, let's get a pop. What time is it? 9:45. Come on, come on. Let's have the pop. Three seconds for this candle to close. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, a little higher. Come on. Oh. Gonna take off two of them there. Oh, come on. Let's get a push.
All right, I'm trailed out there.
I still have two of them. Oh, come on, baby. A little higher.
Still looking pretty decent right here.
Shoot.
Maybe making a little bear flag. I'm not really sure.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, shit. Boo. Still got out a lot
Good.
cleaner than we were. Shoot, man, we were down 300-400 for a second there.
Yeah, I
I'm
was in a little bit of trouble.
yeah.
Just really wanted that 60 area to hold, and it did for a minute. So now I'm kind of looking at 636, 625, just to see how it reacts here.
Yeah.
I think we have some pretty good support at the 610s.
Let's see. Q's is back down to its bottom of its range. Nvidia lost its support though. Nvidia is making a pretty sizable new low.
It's got a pivot point right at 180.43. So we should see a little bounce on Nvidia there. On the 5, we got the kind of wicked through the 21 and got right back above it. So let's give this a candle. I mean, let's give it and see if it makes a setup or see if it's going to continue down.
Yeah.
If it continues down, I think we got, what do we got? The 600s
very
maybe,
least go to the bottom of that
601.
wick, 517.
584.
Yeah, 517 or something even, you know. Hi, you. You go pop.
Was the perfect bounce off the 610s though, but
Yeah.
a little premature. I'm going to try 2 right there. My stop's going to be below that 605. It may push right back down. I was really wanting to get that 5-minute close, get a good, nice little push up.
Yeah, 950 candle. Got 30 seconds. There you go. There you go. That's not bad. I took one off there. Stop and profit.
Stop filled.
Not bad, man.
Kind of got that 50-second push, not really, but
Man, you hold so much better than me. I gotta
just
zoom
trailing
in.
it.
That's what I gotta do.
Here we
I think
go.
I'm too far zoomed out.
and we're out.
I gotta zoom in like you. So now it doesn't feel as like.
I
There you go.
mean, this is kind of the perfect setup right here. I like it's pulling back down. You know, right there. I kind of want to see this be our shelf again.
Yep.
So if it would pop back up to this, I may try to enter again at that 50, but we may have tested our luck because it hit y'all's 9. Oh
Whoa.
yeah, look at that. Look at that. So let's see if we can get a wick through the 580s.
Wow. We might start falling. I don't know if I'm targeting longs now, but I might target shorts instead. Because Nvidia lost that 180.40 support.
Mine's not letting me do anything right there. Let me refresh it.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, I see it. Nothing's pulling back up.
No.
Huh. Maybe. Come on, baby.
Man, so we broke through the bottom of our
try it.
opening range low now. Oh, you're right. My sell
See, I
just
don't
didn't
think
go
it-
through.
Yeah, I see the little blue open account deal, so it's not.
Oh
Well,
no.
So it just put me in a trade, but then it took me right out. Yeah, something's going on, guys.
Yeah, I'm gonna take mine. Shoot, I don't want to take it off yet. Let me put a stop in here. Hopefully the stop will work. All right, the stop's in. Yeah, it worked. It worked. It worked.
Let me try one more time. Oh, I think it
Hey,
just popped
good
back in.
news. What's up,
Hey,
big
good news.
dog?
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you, sir. Good to see you, sir.
Looks like it's working again now, guys.
Welcome to day 1 of our prop challenge. Trying to do pass an eval, get a payout. This is Friday's. Qs are basically hitting Friday's low right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That was Friday's wick down. Oh, which we knew because the friggin' thing. Yeah.
If we can get above these 580s, I may try a little long, but I'm gonna see what this candle does when she closes.
Yeah, I mean, we're basically at Monday's low right now, too.
We still got that 518 way down there. I guess that was our low last night, maybe.
Yeah. Early morning at 8:12. 8:12 this morning.
Sure looks
Oh,
like
yeah.
the bear flag wants to play out. There it goes.
Shoot, it's a little bit of a FOMO, but I'm taking
Should be
two,
short,
hoping to
yeah.
target down the
Good.
520s here.
I like that.
Trailing the stops. Whoops, got stopped out of one. And I have too many. Whoops. Boom. Alright, not bad. 12 points. A little 12-pointer, guys.
Heck yeah. Look at that, guys.
Hey, morning chop trader. What's up?
Hey, Chop
bud?
Trader. Good morning. Good to see you here, buddy.
So yeah, we might have some support now. Then go long. I know it. I'm almost considering. I was hoping we'd wick through here. I wanted to wick through the 518s first, you know.
Yeah, I don't want it to trap me now. I wanted to be in around the 30s and then maybe add into it if it wicked down below. But now that it popped up here, I don't want to try long and they get me by an extra 10 points.
Right. Man, so ES is at its 8 o'clock support too. Q's obviously got shot in the face. Nvidia got shot in the face. Yeah, I think this is a take a minute to be patient.
Yeah, this would be a good time to shout out to my wife. It's our 25th anniversary.
Yo!
Big 25. The silver.
Dude, huge, man. Huge. Man, she let you trade today, too. What a girl.
Yeah.
That's amazing, man.
That's why I love her.
Super amazing, man. We're going on 11 years.
good
It'll
news.
be 11 years in April for us. 25 is insane.
Yeah.
So cool, right? And you're in like the 1% now. You're a 1%er, right? Like nobody
I
nobody
mean-
makes it to 25. Nobody makes it beyond, it's amazing, man. Hats off to you.
And high school sweetheart, so I think it was like a 0.1% chance to last over 10 years.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go for
Beautifully
platinum
done.
now if I can live that long. Try to hit 70 maybe.
Yeah, you guys will hit it. You guys will hit it. What is the symbolic 25-year like
Silver.
gift? Do you know?
Silver.
Oh, it's silver. It's silver. Nice, dude. You get her an ounce? You get her a Troy ounce?
we took a picture last night with the little silver, like the Olympics do, where you win the silver. We had a
Yeah,
little
yeah,
silver
yeah,
award,
yeah,
and
yeah.
Had my teeth on it.
That's so cool, man. I love that. Just celebrated our 55th in January, says Chop Trader.
Whoa, that's awesome, Chop Trader.
Dang, man.
That is freaking awesome.
So you're in the 0.05% Chop Trader. That is beautiful.
Yeah.
Jeez, man. I'm surrounded by a bunch of giants here. I love this. Surrounded by the right people. That's amazing, man. Good job. Good job, team. Go us. You know?
Heck yeah.
Damn, dude. Crazy, 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 crazy.
Oh. Really wanted to pull the trigger at that 505s. Just a little late to the party, so.
Yeah, I got too excited about all your guys' wins over here, man. 55 and 25. Jesus. But yeah, right now, I mean, there's a lot of room, obviously, to sneak up. Our 21 is all the way up here at 613. We just have to make sure that we're not downtrending like crazy.
Yeah.
Just say
which we
yes,
are, I
and
mean.
you'll have no problem, says Chop Trader. Yeah, we've learned that one.
Right.
We've learned that one by now. Good grief. Good news. Thank you, buddies. Hey, man, I love how phenomenal of a father you are, too. Good news. You kill it, too, man. Look at that. Kiddo just made me a mushroom. Little mushy.
Awesome.
You know, always showing up for your kids. I love it. So it looks like we're trying to form a little teeny tiny bear flag here that's starting to look a little bit more like an aggressive bear flag here. ES broke that 8 o'clock support. We broke our 8 o'clock support. What would be... Oh, he's right here. You say hi to him.
Where's his hat?
Where's his hat? Oh, he's upset.
Oh,
What are you
right
doing,
here,
he says.
we weren't riding any candles, so I took
You
it
can
off.
come on in. He only needs the hat if
There
he's
you go.
riding candles. Look, he's upset. He was like, "What the hell? Who's this guy? Who's this guy sitting and trading cowboy seat?"
Jerome.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh man. So I
really
don't
like
know,
how it's
man.
holding here, but I think it's just tempting me to wick plumb down. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah, I mean, I'm almost
nothing
tempted to go short now, but I was trying to find.
I mean,
a
we
target.
really we kind of have 472 and 454. I'd much rather wait for 454.
Yeah,
But
that's
then
what I
our
was
next
thinking
pivot's
too.
way down here at 433.
So you wouldn't. So you're not thinking short down there.
Probably
You're
should
thinking
be
wait
riding
till.
this down,
Yeah.
but my gosh, after I mean, just a while ago we were at 817. So
Right. Well, and again, too, your stop would be up at 547. You know, so we're
Yeah.
almost back into the land of that's a 75-point stop there.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, we want to find a good entry. We want to see a good turnaround, and we want to see if we can't, get like a 40 to 80 point trade
Yeah.
on a little bounce. So
Ooh, good news says, good job teaching this kid about trading at a young age. He'll become a magician at it by 18. There you go, bud.
Exactly,
Then you
yeah.
can start making all the monies. Where's the monies at?
I don't have any monies except for $100. That's all I have.
Let's see if we can get just a little bit higher of a push. I would love to break the 501s here.
yeah, I mean, I wish I could have got in a little earlier, considering now we're 40 points above that
Yeah.
little wick. But let's see what this next candle does. If we don't get a big run here and we get a
Oh,
slight
hey, don't
pullback.
do that. Because it'll be really loud. That just blew out people's ears.
What? No, it didn't.
Yeah, it didn't sound loud to us, but it definitely sounded loud to them. Oh, this is our 10 o'clock candle right there, too. That was our 10 o'clock candle.
All right, I'm going to try a couple right there. I wanted to grab at half of the wick.
Yeah.
I'm just going to target. I'm going to have my lows below probably 770 in case we get a little wick down.
Daddy, you and the trading cowboy have the same thing.
Yeah, we do.
You guys are on the same trade right now.
Yeah, we are. Woo! Because he calls out some
There we
good
go.
trades. Alright, taking one off. Man, I'm just way too, I get way too hesitant with my stuff, though.
Daddy, I think this
Hold
little
on,
one right there is going to go up.
Alright, let's see.
Here you
Let's
go.
see if we get a real nice push up here to the 520s. Up to the 9. Beautifully done.
I just made you some money.
Man, he's still friggin' riding it, too, you son of a gun.
We're trying.
Look at that. Look at that trade now, boys. Look at that trade.
There you go, guys.
Beautifully done. Beautifully done. What are you at right now, by the way, too? I can't see it.
We got 262 for the day.
262. Hell yeah. I'm at 224. Look at that. We're right friggin'
at
there. We're doing it, gang.
that,
We're
guys.
doing it.
Why does it say 224?
50,224.
That's how much money you've made?
Yeah. Yeah.
I need to go tell Mama.
I need to go tell Mama. Bubba.
We're gonna. He's ready to take that 50 grand out, Dad.
Yeah, he's ready. He's
We're going back
ready.
to Disney.
Wyatt, no, I didn't, bud. Calm down.
All right, now, guys, I'm thinking we rejected off here. We didn't wick through these 47s. So now I kind of want to see if we drop a little bit and get a little inversion, or if this is going to be just a straight bull flag. I kind of want to see the inversion, but who knows what we'll get.
Yep. Yeah, we haven't touched the 21 in a while now. We're fanned out real strong, though. NVIDIA's 5-minute just broke its previous 5-minute. Q's hasn't done it yet, though, nor has ES. VIX is coming down just a hair. Go long and hold is what good news is saying. That AI is telling us to just go stinking long. I know, I always want to. I'll follow you.
I mean, we broke above. Yeah, look at that.
All right, good news. Oh, shoot, man. My stop's not working. Nope, stopped out.
Until it touches the 200, yeah.
Man, so I went long, but I'm bad at holding it until it touches the 200 EMA. Which, man, I don't even have the 200 on here. I should probably have the 200 on here, shouldn't I? Do you use Trading Cowboy? You use the 200?
I do. It's up here at 662.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have it on Trade-of-8, but I've got it on TradingView. So.
All right. I got to
So
add another.
I don't know if I'll mess my screen totally up.
I got to add another EMA to this motherfucker.
So there's kind of my TradingView. So I've got our opening 15-minute box.
Yep.
I've got our 50% below the box 100, and it does above. But then I've got the 14 and 21 is what I use on it, and then my 200, my dotted line.
Oh, okay.
And then I've got
that's a cool way to do it. I like doing it with the dotted line, man. That's clever. I'll do that. We'll do a white with a dotted line here.
Yeah, I use that just because that way I know it's a bigger EMA.
Right. Love it.
So.
Boom.
And I used to use it a lot. I still use it pretty much, but, you know, if I'm going to trade, you know, SPY or Tesla or something like that, I kind of wait for it to go to it to see if it's a reversal or if that's a good entry to pull back or whatever. So, yeah.
Yeah. Man, I think I want to take these. Oh, right. Never mind. That's what that is.
So, Saad, yeah, I don't really have any trailing stop loss system. Does Trade-of-8 do anything like that? I mean, I'm sure they probably do.
It does, but I haven't found it in the desktop version. It's a lot easier in the mobile version. You know, you can do your order brackets really, really easily.
I mainly just manually trail a lot of times. If we're in a big market or I'm traded my funded, I've got a little, well, it's not on here in MNQ, but I've got an ATM that's a 200 stop with a 200 profit, and then a 200 stop with no take profit. And I'll use that a lot if it's moving fast or if I'm on a funded account. So I give myself about 10 points on MNQ. But I don't do any kind of trailing stop loss. I wouldn't be opposed to figuring that out, though. I wouldn't even mind having one that just set it after it was up 10 points. If it would just set it at break even, that's kind of what I would like. I would like it just to pop up and set it to break even.
Yeah.
So.
Man, what I found though is it just moves too fast. It fluctuates too fast. So it'll pop up it'll pop up 12 points, right? And then instantly pop down 10 points, and then boom, you're hit right there.
Yeah.
Or a lot of instances, I mean, it's usually I'm getting stopped out like 2 or 4 points in the negative, you know, because it dipped a little, then popped up a little bit, then dipped back down. I'm like, no, not there. I used
And I
to
kind of
do.
think, and this is just my mindset. We haven't had to do it, but I kind of think, okay, well, if I'm in a trade with one contract and it drops 100 points, well, I lost $200.
Right.
If I'm in with two of them, I lost $400. So if I lost 400, I could just switch over to NQ, be patient, and I could just buy two and target 10 points.
Right. Right.
So
Yeah, and that's, I mean, that's, you can almost get into that whole Alex G set it and forget it at that point too, with the order, just do an order
I'm gonna try
bracket
two
where.
right there. I'm gonna put my stop. Well, it's already
Nice.
pumping, so I'm just gonna start trailing it. Maybe now I'm gonna pull one back. So it took one. Oh, my bad. I really liked how it started slowing down, stair stepping. It took me right out, so I'm gonna try again if it gives me another good entry.
Shoot, man. Yeah, I just, I blindly, I chased the car real quick, and I shouldn't have.
Well, I was trying to tell y'all that 520 is good support, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and get back in. It's a little late now, but I'm just gonna set my stops down here. If we get a fast flush, I still like it. I think it's gonna push to the 21 maybe. This is a little inversion. We have the 520 holding, and then we have a little support at 510. So if it wicks below that 510 real quick, I may try to add into this, but and then of course my stops will just be a little below here. And that may be the wrong move, but let's see if we can get a little push here.
Come on. We got a new 5-minute candle coming in 40 seconds.
Yeah, we got that 5-minute candle, so if we could get the 50-second push, if not, I think we're going to be a little, not to scare anybody, but a little slingshot down.
Order filled.
One MNQ and leave it. Yeah, I think you're right. Good news.
Four seconds.
Yeah, not really doing what I want it to do. I'm afraid we're going to get a little wick down, but our 510s are trying to hold. There you go.
Shoot.
Stop filled.
Come on. There we go.
Order filled.
There we go. Stopped out. Shoot, man. I mean, not terrible. Not terrible.
No, it's not.
Actually, I literally, man, I'm back to, I'm back to 224.
We got 302.
Damn, man. I went negative. I went negative on that one. I was not negative, but I was down like, I was in like maybe 120 of drawdown. Average down a little bit, and then ended up getting out just 100% clean. I didn't even mean to, too, because I sold them at different intervals. All right, bear flag is still bear flagging. And I might just try, I'm going to just try one to the bottom of these bodies, the 484. Take it right there. Nice. Oh, shoot. You went long.
Just off my little blue line of support right there.
Yeah.
So. I mean, I think you're right. I think we could get that flush.
Well, I wasn't even necessarily, targeting a flush. I was just, everything else is curling down to the bottom of their bodies, so I figured we'd kind of do the same.
No, you're exactly right. I mean, even the 5 is looking super weak, so.
Yeah. Like 484 seems like it'll hit.
There you go. There's a good push down.
That blue line. Come on, baby. There you go. Fucking diamond hands over here. Dude, come on, man. Look at that. Beautifully done, man. Beautifully done.
All right, not bad. Little 15 points.
Sheesh.
Still got one. All right,
Wow.
I'm out of that one for now. So, and I got good news telling me not to worry. It's going to go up. We're going to get 50 to 100 points. So,
Yep.
I'm going to just take these little short scalps as we get it. And
Yeah.
so now we kind of want that to hold, but we don't want it to rip back down. I really don't want this to be a chop candle right here and try to long it and get wick all the way back down to the bottom. Just like that. See, that's what I was worried about.
In terms of options for Nasdaq, what should I use to play it? The Q. Yeah, correct. The Qs. The Qs and Nasdaq. You know, Qs and NQ are almost lockstepped. There's some very, very small, you know, fluctuation differences, but you'll notice that it's basically the same chart. Now, options, though, keep in mind, and you obviously play options a lot more than we do. You know, you have the decay factor. So we don't really have the decay factor in futures. But at the same time, we're getting in and out of stuff, you know, usually within like 3 minutes. So I guess decay wouldn't necessarily be there.
I really like this for a pop, but I'm kind of saying stay out of it. But I really like this 495 area. Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Is the option chain available to see anywhere on these platforms you use? No, I would have to. I use Fidelity for my just general stock picks. So I'd have to go to. I'd have to log into my Fidelity, open all that stuff up, and then I'd be able to see the option chains.
Yeah, theta is crazy. I hate theta.
Yeah, man, especially around like earnings events too, right? If you try to buy like, you know, a Google option or something like that around or a Tesla option, my God, a Tesla option is like 5,000% premium and shit. Sometimes you're like, whoa, what the hell is that?
And if you really want to do it, I mean, just do SPX and do 0-day options, and it's pretty much like this right here. You're gonna win or lose in a few minutes.
Yep.
Oh, trying to get a little push right there. About oh yeah, look at that. Shucks, guys. And I know good news is telling us over our breath. Yep. There's your money, guys. There's your money.
Wow, dude.
There's your 95 points coming up on 100. Told y'all just to hold it.
Dang, man. Look at that pop. Look at that pop. Pop, lock, and drop it. Hey, Marco.
Hey, Mark, good to see you.
Morning, buddies.
Good to see you.
We're doing actually, I think we're crushing the day today. I'm up 236, and Trading Cowboy is up
351.
351. Yeah. Yeah, we're having a good day. Good day for day one of the challenge. Man, yeah, 50-point candle.
Good news is saying told you so, guys. Told you so.
So the Indian market is the most liquid in terms of options. Trading futures is too expensive. So options is where it's at here. Very interesting, man. Well, and right now, too, they have the, isn't the tech summit happening in India right now? Like Google's there, OpenAI is there. All the big boys are there. I think they're Thursday is maybe the big day for it. But I'm slowly starting to. Actually, I haven't even looked at Google yet today. I'm slowly starting to acquire Google. I want to get up to 100 shares sooner than later because I want to start selling covered options on it. Which now it's down at 299. Beautiful, beautiful. Come on, MNQ. Yeah, good news. Going to the 200. It is a good push, man. I'm just like Trading Cowboy saying, man, these are the ones now that I get too excited and I'll enter it, right? And then I'll just sit here and watch it drop 70 points right in front of me. And I'm like, why'd I do that?
Nice push. Here's a little resistance right here. So
most horribly managed, though, he says. Most liquid, but most horribly managed. I like longs if I can get a retracement. Yeah, man, us too now. Shoot. Good news told us. He said 150. Yeah. Here we go. Boom, ba-doom, boom, boom.
Yeah, and then he said retrace to the 200, which we got up here at 660s. So
yeah.
Right here's the 200 on a 1 minute is 611. That's kind of we're kind of punching through the box right here. So
yeah.
I'm expecting a little bit of pullback.
Shoot, man. What a friggin' ripper. Dang it, man. There you go, TP. This son of a bitch.
Heck yeah.
You son of a bitch. Great job, man. Yeah. Phenomenal trade.
We're going to have to put you in timeout, but great call out.
I know. Well, and keep in mind, too, this guy's in the bus lane right now. This dude's trading in the bus lane. He just made 150 points in the bus lane. My God. He just made the teacher's yearly salary waiting for his daughter. No, I mean, the AI summit is horribly managed. I guess they underestimated how many people would attend, which is stupid for a country like ours with so many people. Yeah, right? And it's the AI summit. You'd think that that's like the Super Bowl there, you know?
Yeah.
It's freaking awesome, man. Well, I needed him to get into gear because... Actually, my average on Google is probably really good. I think it's like 311 or something. Let me see.
Oh, nice.
What's my Google average? No, we lost a little money tonight. 308. Average is 308. We only have 28 shares of it so far, though. I've been trying to build it slow, just in the off chance it goes back to the 250s.
Nice.
Which I guess is a possibility. All right, so presumably retracement to the 580s is what I would think, right? But I'd hate to short this such a bullish move. Maybe we try a long. Wait for the 580 retracement, then try a long.
Yeah. I don't want to see it go below the... I don't want to get a wick through 550, but even that 550 pullback would be... But yeah, 570s.
Shoot, man. I was just too nervous to punch that short, but there's 20 points on that short.
Yeah, I was really looking forward to it up there, and I just didn't do anything.
Yep. Missed the train. Just wait, bro. You missed the train. Yeah, you're right, man. And again, I'm just that dog chasing that car half the time, you know? Especially you see a big move, and I just start frothing a little bit, you know? I'm like, I mean, it just went up 200 points. There's a good chance it's going to go up another 200, you know? No, there's not. Calm down. All right, so imbalance pot would be like to the 544s if we don't just start rocket shipping right here. We came down. We actually did kiss 562 for a quick little 20-point pop already. I mean, there's got to be decent support right here, you'd think.
Yeah, see, these 560s is kind of what I was looking at. Maybe, I hate to get a wick through the 47s, but that
I
would be even
know.
more ideal.
And I definitely don't want to come back down to the 500s. If you enter at 550 right now, you know, it's still a 50-point stop. And it'd be
Right.
fast, too. That would be a fast 50 points. What EMAs are you using, Greg? Too many. Using too many EMAs. So the green one is my 9 EMA. The red one is the 21. The blue one is the 45. And then this white dotted is our 200. So I put 9 is green and 21 is red just to purely be like that. If green is above red, then we should be looking for longs. If red is above green, then we should be looking for shorts, right? So right now, technically, we should be looking for longs because green is above red, but green is curling down pretty quickly. So we'll have to see. At this point, I'm almost thinking we're going to get a full retest of 510s. And then the stupid little tiny white dotted line is the midpoint of this solid white line and this solid white line, which I think was like a Giovanni Joe thing that he recommended on me. And you'll see whenever it gets to kind of that outside band, usually we have a snap back. So it's been a decent little tool. Same thing. Above the band, snap back. Below the band, snap up. But there has been days that it's gone outside the band and then just ridden it on the outside the whole stinking day.
Sorry, guys. Had to make a little short video real quick for the chat.
Ooh, what kind of video
Yeah,
you
we've
make?
We've been slacking on the short videos, Greg. I got to be honest.
Dude, I have not created any shorts or done any videos besides doing lives now in like 2 or 3 weeks, which is pretty bad. I know it, man. Basically, ever since I started this fireplace thing, which has, you know, it's gotten a lot of my interest too. I really enjoy what I'm doing over there as well.
Yeah.
But the timing of it sucks a little bit. I hate that I'm straddling this bridge basically, because I know I gotta start doing shorts. Especially because, I mean, you know, as long as I have your permission, I'll start doing shorts with both of us as well, man, because I love the split screen and everything, and you obviously get some monster trades, so I'll start creating them sooner than later again. I know that's the best way to obviously get followers, traction, views, everything. You got to do shorts.
Yeah, I think so. I think that's where the subscribers were actually coming in for me, and then it just kind of slowed down a bunch. So.
Yep. Yeah, same thing. I mean, I was doing so good every single day. Release a short, release a short, release a short. All right, well, let's do it. Our very next trade. Let's make sure our very next trade is a very nice trade, and that'll be our short of the day.
So, yeah, I did one, you know, when we were trading yesterday, I was trading on my funded at the same time.
Yeah.
Kind of copy trading, but ended up making, I think, 720 yesterday, so I was able to take a little $600 payout today. So I think I ended up getting 475 after take profit gets their 20%. But,
damn.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah.
And that's the sweet thing about take profit trader is once you get over their buffer, you can take daily payouts.
Yeah.
So if you go in and make 400 or 500 that day, if you want to, you can pull it out the next morning.
Yeah, peel it off, peel it off, peel it off. Which is probably the best thing to do, right? You know, don't leave it on the table to eventually blow it up.
All right, guys. Maybe the wrong move. I'm going to try right there.
Little long
Here's
skis.
my setup.
We'll try long skis with you.
Below the wick. Looking for a pop over there. I don't like how the 9 and 21 so close right there, but let's see if we can get a little movement.
Still not bad so far. Not bad so far.
I'm going to take one off right there.
Well, that was dumb. My stinking stop. I kept trying to pop my stop in there, and I couldn't get it. I squeaked out like friggin' 5 points on that trade. That was it. That was dumb. Literally like twice now.
I'm going to be a little patient with this last one.
Yeah, I mean, if it
Dan,
pops, it's
if
gonna
we can
pop,
get over
man.
the 9 and 21, I think the 9 would kind of cross back over, but the 9 is back under, so
Order filled.
I like that we're making lower highs. So
Yep. Fucking hell, man. These stops are not grabbing.
Stop
You
fill.
stupid friggin' thing. Well, I just got in and out twice already. I mean, yeah, Nvidia's setting up for a real nice pop. Same thing with the Qs. What time is it? 10:28. 30 seconds left. Ooh, good news agrees. Good spot for the long.
I think so. I mean, we're really building out a base right here if it can hold.
Yeah.
So
Order filled.
trying to wick a few people out. So let's see if I'm one of them.
Order filled.
Maybe a big move. There was our wick to kind of stop everybody out that set it at the bottom of that wick.
Yep.
See if we get that push up or.
Boom.
Order filled.
Nicely friggin' done so far.
Yeah.
Real good average on this thing now.
Yeah, not bad, huh, guys?
Stop fill.
Boom. Not a bad trade. Man, I got in and out of that trade 3 times, actually. I got in and out of that trade. I made it was like 4 points on the first one, 7 on the second one, and then this one finally, I got in at 508 and out at 529. So there you go. That one's finally a 20-pointer. I think it's going to do a big pop, though, for you. Let's see. 10:30 right now. Massive pop is coming. I think so, too.
We're really fighting. I just don't want to get wicked out of it.
Right. Yeah, shoot. It's almost like they're setting up for a trap first. Unless this is the trap, you know, making it look real bearish, and then all of a sudden it's going to rip.
Yeah, I mean, I really, if they're going to do a massive pop, I mean, here would kind of be the place. But I don't want it to, I don't know, I don't want it to trick me, but.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little fast one right there. Let me move these to right below that wick. So if it wicks me out, it wicks me out.
Oh, shoot. Come on, turn around. Yeah, Greg has no patience anymore. He wants to be in that pop always, man. Always. Yeah, my patience. Shoot. I was telling that to Trading Cowboy off stream too, right? Like, you have to have the correct personality to be a day trader. And I'm figuring out I might not have that correct personality. You know, I got the right personality to be the entertainer. I'm really good at that. Really good at the talking and the smiling. But man, my patience, I'm just like, you know? Shoot, man. This isn't looking good. Yeah, everything I liked before, like Nvidia and stuff like that, I'm not really liking that much anymore. What's that, pizza? No, man, this is giant.
Not pizza.
You've seen this before, haven't we? Shown this off before?
Shark tooth. This is my shark tooth.
Yeah, this is a giant megalodon tooth. Huge one. You know, it's the size of my hand. I can never get that thing to work. Come on, where's the
Yeah,
bounce?
you-
Where's
Why
the
you can
stinking
do it?
bounce?
Order filled.
No bounce. Shoot. Nope.
Stop fill.
Stopped out.
No, yep, right there, isn't it?
Boo. Shit.
Ah, nice push down.
Right?
We tried to find support for so long.
Right.
Now we should get a huge rip, right?
Well, at least I won. Thanks for the call out, Marco. You son of a bit.
Where's all of your other little shark teeth?
They're in that box in there still.
What box?
I see buyer says good news. Man, I don't know. When I'm looking at all screens, though.
Do you want me to get them?
No, baby. Because I want to concentrate on trading. I only got like 10 more minutes than I gotta
Oh,
go.
we do this one.
Like, NQ's fallen. Q's broken support. ES broken support. VIX is going up. Ah, Marco. That sounds great. I love to take profit. I'm seeing the shorts here would be a good. Ah, shit. Yeah, you're right. You called it out, bud. You called it out. We missed it. Big volume at 24,600. Oh, yeah. I mean, massive. Look at it. It's all right here. Boom. 24,600. It was when you guys were getting ready to buy. I know. We needed to have like a scream function. No, don't do it. Oh, shoot. And now this friggin' trading cowboy. Ah, son of a bitch.
Order filled.
I was just going to say
I
trading
hated to
cowboys
fade
in
mark
a...
for just a second, but
Yeah, and a long, and then I just tried to punch it long, and then I punched it right when that candle tweaked out.
Order filled.
Son of a gun.
all right. I was really waiting for those 433s, but as soon as that previous candle made a low,
Yeah.
this one kind of wicked halfway through it.
Oh, you found your teeth. Nice. Yeah, little tiny teeth. Ah.
Same thing here. If it would push down first, it's kind of pushing up first, so not in anything.
Come on, just give me a little bit more. Just a little bit more, please.
Nice. Come on, push up.
Alright. I'm going to take that right there. Well, shoot, guys. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Still up 200 bucks on the day, though.
Daddy,
Not bad.
look it. Compared to I don't know if this is an alligator or a crocodile tooth.
Yeah, it's a
Look
gator
at it.
tooth. Gator tooth
It's
versus
so
shark
different.
tooth. Yeah, you're right. Show off the gator and shark tooth. Gator tooth
Oh,
and a
sweet.
shark tooth. Woohoo!
Heck yeah.
I can barely see the shark tooth.
Uh,
And I got $5. I got $2.
$2 bucks. What are you at on the day now, bud?
Well, after losing like 300 while ago or whatever
Fuck.
we lost, I'm at 314.
314. Nice, dude. Nice, man. Nice. I mean, that's your beautiful thing, man. You got some big swings, but you're always out on top. It's pretty darn impressive, man. Pretty darn impressive. I'm up 200. I mean, technically, I'm up 380 on the day, but that was because we had to bring the count back to 50,000.
Oh yeah, heck yeah.
All right, I'm gonna have to get going in a couple minutes
This is
here.
a gem. What is this school?
It is. It's technically it's a
Try to guess how much money this was, and I bought it.
I think it was like $3, $4.
No, it's $10.
That was $10. Dang. Transfer station is packed.
It's $10 for this little thing.
Nice.
Well, gang. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Let's see if we can get... Oh, you sneaky devil.
Well, we were trying right there, but it's not looking very promising. But
Oof. Yeah, man. Just so weak. I learned not to buy or short in between buy at the lowest point support. MACD is not looking good. Damn. 3 NQ at 24,449. Oh, you're going long right now? Good news. Good news is long as well.
I wish I was in where he was, but I'm not.
Order filled.
All right, I'll try one with the group. Keeping stops tight. Tight like a tiger. Dang, who called that out? Who called that out? Look at
I
I'm
think
so
it was you
freaking far
because me and
zoomed
Good News
in.
were being quiet over here on our own.
What's that?
I said I think you're the one that called it out because me and Good News weren't saying nothing.
I did my 3 chores: fold laundry, wash all dishes, and sing.
Nice push.
And then organize.
Whoa, is that the stuff you're gonna do?
Nice
That would be
little 40
phenomenal
points,
if you did
yeah.
that stuff.
I do not know.
Guys, huge push. Great call out. Beautifully done. 58 to 83. 30 points right there.
Yeah.
Man, this friggin' guy's still in it. How much are you up right now? I gotta zoom this stuff in better.
There you go.
Man, again, like it's just a gray blob to me. Damn it, man. That's dumb. What if I put it on this screen? Even then, it's just because it's in my OBS, you know, so
Yeah.
the quality is so
Yeah, we
bad.
got 493 now.
Fuck yeah,
I think we
dude.
were up almost 550 while ago, but
Hell yeah,
I left
though,
2
bud.
runners, so
Great call out, guys. Man, so good news. Marco, everybody, let's do it this way, gang. You know? Let's do it this way. Where
Yeah.
everybody's kind of communicating. We're all talking. We're talking about our trades and stuff like that, man. Like, as a collective, I think we're going to be able to raise each other up pretty damn well. So,
we
yeah,
got a little
man, let's
chop
keep
coming
doing
in
this
now.
thing.
So
Let's keep doing
yeah,
it.
Good News got 10 points. Man, if I can get 10 points on every trade, that's what I always love.
Right.
So
Right. The biggest and largest just passed the eval with sink or swim. Woo! Look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Showing up every day. I appreciate you, bud. Thank you. Thanks for saying it.
You'll
Look
have
at
to
that.
remind me, Miguel, but I got some stuff coming from when people pass their evals and get payouts. So as soon as I get them in here, I'll send you one.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
What are you creating?
I got some little coins you can put in your pocket to remind you of that. So
Dude!
Super cool.
What are they called? Challenge coins, man.
Yep.
So
Little challenge
smart.
coin.
So smart. What a smart idea. Super sick, dude. Super sick. Yeah, that's a great idea. I can see, man, buddies buying it for their buddies too and everything like that. That's a
Yeah.
great one.
Still waiting for the 24.49. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're kind of maybe wicking through it. I like that support that it formed at the 50s. This is my candle right here. If we were going to get in, would have been in at 74, 75 maybe for this pop, but
Yep.
I was reading the comments.
Getting too excited.
Yeah.
Shoo, we love you, bud. We love you, Miguel.
Now the real challenge starts, Miguel.
Yeah. 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 All right, so let's look at this market as a whole. So same thing. I mean, Nvidia came down, kind of formed a base, kind of forming a double bottom on Qs. ES, sank a little bit below its double bottom support there, forming a little bit of a potential bear flag again. But VIX is coming back down. So,
I mean, if we could get back above the 21, I think we got it. I mean, that 9's pretty far away from the 21, so we got to see those cross again. But
yeah, and the 9 on the 5 is all the way up here at 563, which we're pushing. We're pushing.
we got our 5-minute candle close in about 15 seconds, so we're getting that little 50-second push. We kind of want to see this next 5 minute, or I want to. I don't know if y'all want to, but I want to see it kind of open and pull back a little bit.
Yep.
Maybe pull back to like the 95, 96 area, and then push straight up. But we may just get that push. If we get the push right here, then in my mind I'm kind of thinking, okay, is this a little short area? Are we going to get a bigger pullback?
Yeah. Shoot, man. Got my mom watching your channel, Greg. She loves to trade now. Yay, Miguel's mom. We love it.
Heck yeah.
We love it. The whole family. Yeah, I mean, we do have a little volume shelf right here, too. Look at this. The 519s was an important one. Oof, everybody's pushing, though. Pushing. We got 5 seconds left of this candle.
Yeah, good news. I think we missed the train. I think our best bet was at that 565s with our stops below 54. I mean, we could have put it below the lows, but
Yep. It's going bye-bye, he says.
Yeah, as soon as it hit that 457, that third time, I think that was our cue to go. Fourth time, I guess.
Well, let's see.
Yeah,
We'll get a little
10-3.
retracement back here to the 5s. Yeah, from the 24,449. Hell yeah, man. I know. I got out at 484. Ooh, it's looking good.
And yeah, I mean, if we're being honest, my pivot point was 433, but
Shoot.
I didn't know if we were going to get that or not. Beautiful push.
Now we're at that resistance point, though.
Yeah. I'm going to try a little short right there.
Oh, short the
give it-
resistance. That makes sense.
Order filled.
I'm gonna give it about 20 points. So if this candle closes and it pushes straight down, I may get out of one or something, but it may push. We got a lot of strength coming in.
Oh, a lot of strength.
We got a little cushion, so
Order filled. Order filled.
come on down. You coming? Come on. Come on.
Stop.
Well, I get it. Yeah, man. Good news. You called it too. I saw it late, but you're like, yeah, you should have showed it at the 200 EMA. I tried to do an add-in once it kissed it. I ended up still getting, a little nervous there. It's my kind of last, usually my last trade of the session, I get a little gun shy. I hope we don't get stuck in a range between the low and the bottom of the 15-minute orb, says Marco now. Yeah. Stuck in a range between the low and the bottom. I can see it, man. I can see what you're saying. Basically, we just keep chopping between like the 600s and like the 457s. Which again, this was a 100-point candle. Boom. So we could definitely
And
come
yeah,
up
good
and
news.
then,
That's exactly what I was looking at. Was that rejection kind of off the 200? I got in a little early because I didn't want to miss out,
yep.
but I was kind of using that 200 as if we broke over it. Maybe the 605s was my stop. Maybe a little above 605, but
Yep.
kind of making the perfect bull flag right now. If it doesn't break down, there's kind of a little breakdown. Kind of my favorite bull flag setup is when we have this, we have the top and the bottoms both pointing down.
Yep.
I love that because it makes that nice flag.
But crazy wick right there off the 540s. Basically the 9. Came down, wicked off the 9. Good news is suggesting no trade. Wait until a real trend displays. Let's see where it goes. Probably very smart. Very smart. Good advice. Yeah.
So you're telling me to go in?
So you're telling me all in. So we're going to do 20.
No, I agree 100%. I mean, we don't know what this is going to be right here. I mean, you could take a guess. If you were right, you're probably going to bank on 20, 30 points. But
Yeah.
it looks like we're going to retrace again right here, so we can see if we get a little inversion. But
Yeah. 71% today. That's not bad. Way too many trades. I took a lot of trades pre-market, though, trying to get this thing back up to 50,000. 69
Yeah.
trades today. Not good.
let's see. Yeah, 68. So
Nice, man. Hell yeah. Shoo! All right, gang. I mean, I agree. I think it's a good time to call it. Still working on this fireplace. Which, I don't know, guys. It is what it is. It's one of those things that I've really friggin' enjoyed it, man. So I don't know. There might be a business opportunity
Mark,
there as
beautiful
well,
bullfrog.
where unfortunately I might have short days where we stop around 11 o'clock every single day. But we'll see. Poor guy. Shit. Yeah. Especially now, guys screaming in the background now too. All right, gang. So this was day 1 of our eval challenge. I think we did pretty damn good. I'm up 267 on my 50K account. Trading Cowboy is up. How much?
503.
503, dude. So hell yeah, absolutely crushing it today. You know, today's our warm-up day. We have a lot of news actually coming through this week, don't we? Quick look at economic calendar, just reminding us, durable goods tomorrow. I don't know. Tomorrow's kind of like a smaller one. But then Thursday, jobless claims at 8:30, and then Friday, of course, PCE. So, gonna have some pretty strong days this week. Good news, sent me 2 screenshots. I'm excited to see them, man. We gotta get that AI thing rocking and rolling too. I mean, that's honestly the future. That's what like Alex G just streaked the Super Bowl because he's marketing his new whatever it's called, the Thora blah 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 blah. But that's what that's kind of is, right? He's creating just an AI software that tells you this is kind of the setup I'm seeing. Up to you. Do you want to take it? Yes or no? Hey, Danielle. Good to see you, sweetheart. Well, I shouldn't say sweetheart. I'm so sorry. I don't know where that came from. So good to see you. Thank you so much for stopping in, saying hi. We appreciate the hell out of you. Unfortunately, I'm about to leave. I'm signing off right now. Please switch over to Trading Cowboy. I'm guessing that you're going to continue streaming, sir?
Yeah, I'll be back on in about an hour, probably, guys.
Perfect, guys. Yeah, please obviously like and follow the Trading Cowboy over there. We'd love to see you. Thank you so much for this morning. Phenomenal trading. I think we all had W's in the chat today. Just that's it. Great freaking day. Appreciate the hell out of you. Everybody have a phenomenal day and keep staying green.